I want to show you how to make a rotating tire like this in alight motion. Started, you click on the plus, media, all. Let's add the car. Let's add a car with a plain background. If your car does not have a plain background, you need to change the background. Also, you need to make it horizontal. Let's choose this one. And plus. Here is our car. So let's start by rotating the tire. So you go to plus and add a circle. Touch, move and transform and take it here. Touch the third one here to resize it. Nice. Okay. Let me also resize it a bit. Okay. So the next thing I will do now is to, first of all, duplicate this car. Come here and duplicate. Good. So the next thing I will hold this circle, I will touch this circle and go to blending and opacity. Scroll down, mask and mask. Touch aside. You see now that we have only the tire here. So you touch here and hold it, touch the other one and group it. Come to this up to group. Okay. Now you can see now that we have just the tire here. You can move the tire out, but we don't want to move it, so just leave it there. Then go to move and transform. Let's set the point to the middle. Touch this first one here until this point display. Okay, it's at the middle. So touch the second one. Yeah, which is rotate. Set your keyframe. Then let's go to this two here and rotate it like this, anti-clockwise, let's say into 3 times. Good. So you can play it. Let's see. So what we just do now is to duplicate this group. So touch it, come here and duplicate. So this other one, take it to the back. Nice. So you can now group everything together. So you touch, you hold, touch and mark, then you group. So let's check again. Nice. So let's move the vehicle out of here. Touch the group. Go to move and transform. Then set your keyframe. Then end the keyframe. Move it out to the direction of the tire. So let's check. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more on animation like this and graphic design, you can do well to subscribe to know more. Bye.